Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 3.1 from the exercise 9.2 logarithms from the book of ML Agarwal. For the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, so here the problem sum number 3.1, 2 log 3 minus half log 16 plus log 12. Now express this following as a single logarithm. Express this following as a single logarithm. So the first one will be same, 2 log 3. Now as here half log 16, so we can write here log 16 root over, as half means 16 to the power half. Okay, by the formula it will be log 16 to the power half. Now 16 to the power half means root 16, and here log 12 means 4 into 3, so that equal to 2 log 3 minus log 4, and as here log 4 into 3, that means log a into b, the formula will be log a plus log b. So log 4 cancel out. Here 2 log 3 plus log 3, that becomes 3 log 3. Okay, 3 log 3. Now 3 log 3 means log 3 to the power 3. Now 3 to the power 3 means 27. So log 27 is the final answer. Now the next one, sum number 2. In sum number 2, here 2 log base 10 5, then minus log base 10 2, then plus 3 log base 10 4 plus 1. Okay, so the first one, here 2 log 10 5, that means here log 10 5 square minus log 10 2, here log 10 4 to the power 3. Now instead of 1 you can write here log 10 10. Instead of 1 you can write here log 10 10. Log 10 10, the value will be also 1. According to the formula, this one, if log a that equal to always 1, that is the formula. Okay, if the base equal to this one, then it will be 1. So instead of 1 you can write down log 10 10. Now here, as here minus, as this one minus and this one plus, and all are the here log base 10, so you can write here log 10, and for 5 square means 25, and as here minus, now minus means divide, so 2 will be here, and here 4 to the power 3. Now 4 to the power 3 will be as here plus, so it will be multiplication, so right here 4 to the power 3, and the next one plus 10, so right here 10. Clear? So log 10 25 into 4 to the power 3, and this one minus, so 2 will be here. Now 2 cancel out, this one is 5, so that equal to log 10. Now 5 into 25, 125 into 64, 4 to the power 3 means 64, so that equal to log 10 8000. Okay, log 10 8000 is the answer. Now the third one, half log 36, so that means here log root 36, then log 8 to the power 2, and here log here 1.5. Now 1.5 means 15 by 10. 15 by 10 means 1.5, so that equal to root 36 means 6, and here 8 square means 64, and here log a by b. Now log a by b means log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. Now first one, here log 6 plus log 64. Log 6 plus log 64. That means it will be log 6 into 64. Okay, and next one here log 15. Now minus it will be plus, so log 10. So here log 6 into 64, and then here also again a plus. Now as I said before that plus means always multiplication, so 6 into 64 into 10, and as here minus 15, so the 15 will be divided with this number as here minus. So now next one, 5 2s are 10, 5 3, then 3 2s are, so here 64 into 4. Now 64 into 4 means log 256. Now next one, sum number 4. As here half log 25, that means log root 25, and 2 log 3 means log 3 square. Okay, and here 1, now 1 means log 10. You know the value of 1 equal to log 10 or log 10 equal to 1. So that will be log 5, then minus log 9, and the last one log 10. Now same as here, log 5 in positive and log 10 in positive, so you can write here log 5 into 10. As 9 is negative, so write down, just divide by 9. So that equal to log 50 by 9. So log 50 by 9 is the answer. Here the next one, sum number 5. As here half log 9, so that means log root 9. Next one, 2 log 3, that means log 3 square. Next one, log 6, then log 2, and the last one here minus 2. Now minus 2, you can write here minus 2 as 2 into 1. Okay, minus 2 means minus 2 into 1. Now instead of this one, you can write here log 10. Okay, so that means minus 2 will be minus 2 log 10. Now value of log 10 equal to 1, so that means 2 into 1, that becomes 2. Now next, log root 9. Root 9 means 3. So here 9, then log 6, then log 2, and last one 2 log 2. Now 2 log 10. 2 log 10 means log 10 to the power 2. Now what is the value of 10 to the power 2? That equal to 100. So 2 log 2 means log 10 to the power 2, that means log 100. Now again, here 3 positive, so write down here, here 9 also positive, so multiply with 9, 2 positive, multiply with 2. As 6 negative, so divide by 6, 100 negative, so divide by 100. Okay, now here 3 2s are 6, 2 cancel out, so the final answer will be 9 by 100. Next one, sum number 4.1. So my dear student, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends, with your family members and relatives. And if you are a new viewer in my channel, so please subscribe my channel. One by one I will upload all the exercise from the book of M.L. Agarwal. So just follow me and support me. Okay, so here in sum number 4, prove the following. Now this one the left hand side and this one the right hand side. So you have to prove that the value of left hand side will be equal to the value of right hand side. So from that one, as here log 10 4 and it's divided by log 10 2. So log 10 4, now 4 means 2 square and here log 10 2. Okay, so that means the first one will be 2 log 10 2. The 2 will be here in the front. So 2 log 10 2. As here divide, so divide by log 10 2. Okay, now log 10 2 will be cancel out, so final answer equal to 2. That means from the left hand side the value equal to 2. Now from the right hand side, here log base 3. Now 9 means 3 square. Okay, then 2 will be in the front, so 2 log 3 3. Now according to the formula, log, if the base number will be equal to this one, then the whole value equal to 1. If the base number will be equal to this one, then the whole value equal to 1. That means here log 3 3 equal to 1. So 2 into 1, that equal to 2. That means right hand side equal to left hand side. It's proved. Now sum number 2. Sum number 2, log 10 25 plus log 10 4. It's the left hand side. Right hand side log 5 25. So here log 10 and as here 25 into 4, as here plus, so it will be multiplication. That means log 10, now it means 100. So that equal to log 10, 100 means 10 square. So finally 2 log 10 10. Now 2 log 10 10 means 1 again. So 2 into 1, that equal to also 2. Now here log 5 25. So log 5 here and 25 means 5 square. That means 2 log 5 5, again that equal to 1. So that equal to also 2. So right hand side 2, left hand side also 2. So that means these two are equal. So it's proved. Now sum number 5. If x equal to 100 to the power a, y equal to 10,000 to the power b and z equal to 10 to the power c, then express this one, log, express log 10 root y by x square zq in terms of a, b and c. So here the first one, x equal to 100 to the power a. Now you know that 100 means 10 square, okay. So 10 square to the power a, so finally it will be 10 to the power 2a. That means x equal to 10 to the power 2a. So now you have to know that we have to find out the value of x square. So that means x square equal to 10 to the power 2a into 2. So it will be 10 to the power 4a. X square equal to 10 to the power 4a. Okay. Now the next one. Here the next one, y. So y here, y equal to 10,000 means 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4b. Okay. And you have to find out root y. So root y equal to root over of 10 to the power 4b. Root over of 10 to the power 4b. So that equal to 10 to the power 4b into half, that means 2b. So 10 to the power 2b. Now the third one, z. Z equal to 10 to the power c. So here zq equal to 10 to the power 3c. That means here x square equal to 10 to the power 4a, y root y equal to 10 to the power 2b and z cube equal to 10 to the power 3c. So finally here log 10 root y x square z cube, that means log 10 root y means 10 to the power 2b, x square means 10 to the power 4a, and here z cube means 10 to the power 3c. So that equal to log, now here 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power b, that means here finally 10 to the power 2b plus 1, and in denominator 10 to the power 4a plus 3c. Okay. So after that, as you can apply here the formula log a by b. Now the formula of log a by b, that equal to log a minus log b. So that first you have to write down log 10 to the power 2b plus 1 as log a, then minus log 10 to the power 4a plus 3c as log b. So the power will be in the front. So 2b plus 1, then log 10. Here also 4a plus 3c log 10. Now value of log 10 equal to 1. So that will be 2b plus 1, and here also 1. So that means minus 4a minus 3c. Okay. So 2b plus 1 minus 4a minus 3c is the final answer. Sum number 6. A log 10x. Find the following in terms of a. First one equal to x, second one equal to log 10 root 5 x square. Okay. So log 10 fifth root of x square. Now here x, to find out the value of x, you can directly here apply the formula. Now by the formula here x equal to 10 to the power a. Here x equal to 10. If a equal to log 10x, then you can easily find out the formula. Here x equal to 10 will be here and a will be in power. So 10 to the power a. That is the basic formula of log. Now next you have to find out the value of this one. So here log 10. Now root fifth means here x square to the power 1 by 5. Okay. Here x square to the power 1 by 5. That means log 10 x to the power 2 by 5. So the 2 by 5 will be in front. So 2 by 5 log 10x. Now as here log 10x equal to a. So the final value equal to 2 by 5a. Sum number 7. If a equal to log 2 by 3, b equal to log 3 by 5 and c equal to 2 log root 5 by 2, then find the value of a, b and c. So first here find the value of a, b and c. So just put down the value. For a it's log 2 by 3, for b it's 3 by 5 and for c it's 2 log root 5 by 2. Now log 2 by 3 means log 2 minus log 3. Log 3 by 5 means log 3 minus log 5. And here 2 2 log, so here log root 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, these 2 will be in the power, this will be cancelled out, so log 2 minus log 5, and this one after square this one you will get log 5 by 2, then log 2 minus log 5, and log 5 by 2 means log 5 minus log 2, so that equal to 0. Now the next one, number 2. In number 2 you have to find out 5 to the power a plus b plus c. As here a plus b plus c equal to 0, that means this will be 5 to the power 0 and that equal to 1. So for the second answer here that equal to 1 and the first answer equal to 0. Sum number 8. If x equal to log 3 by 5, y equal to log 5 by 4, z equal to 2 log root 3 by 2, then you have to find out x plus y minus z, the value of this one and this one. So first put down the value log 3 by 5, then y equal to log 5 by 4, and last one minus z, that means 2 log root 3 by 2. Okay, now log 3 by 5 you know that means log 3 minus log 5, same thing log 5 minus log 4, and here 2 log, that means log root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square. So here 5 cancel out, that means log 3 minus log 4. Now 4 means here, okay, write down 4 only, log 4. Now next one log, now root 3 whole square means 3, 2 square means 4, so 3 by 4. So log 3 minus log 4, again minus log 3, and as here log 3 minus log 4, this minus will be reflected with this one and you will get plus log 4. As by the formula log 3 minus log 4, so minus will be reflected with this one and you will get plus log 4. So log 4 log 4 log 3 log 3, so that equal to 0. Now if this one equal to 0, so it will be 7 to the power 0 and that equal to 1. Now sum number 9. If x equal to log 10 12, y equal to log 4 2 into log 10 9 and z equal to log 10 0.4, then find the values of x minus y minus z. So x means here log 10 12. Okay, so write down here log 10 12. Now for y, minus log 4 2 into log 10 9, and minus z means log 10 0.4. Okay, so the next one, as here log 10 12, so you can write down here instead of 12 4 into 3. Then next one, as here log 4 and here 2, log 4 and 2. Now 2 means you can write here 4 to the power half, 4 to the power half or root 4, that equal to also 2. So write down here instead of 2 you can write here 4 to the power half, that means root 4, and multiply with log here 10. Now 9 means 3 square, 9 means 3 square, then minus log 10, and here 0.4 means 4 by 10, 0.4 means 4 by 10. So next one, here log 10 4, as here multiply, so it will be plus log 10 3. Next, here half will be in the front, so half log 4, and here also 4, log 4 4, multiply with here 2 log 10 3, 2 log 10 3, and the next one log 10, as here 4 by 10, that means log 10 4 minus log 10 10. Okay, so 4 plus 3 means log a plus log b, and here you apply the formula log a by b, that means log a minus log b. Now next, log 10 4. Okay, second one, here log 10 3, and as here only the half, log 4 4 means 1, so that will be only half into 2 into log 10 3. Next one, log 10 4, minus minus plus, so now okay, minus minus plus, and here log 10 means 1. Okay, so here 2 cancel out. Log 4 minus log 4 will be cancel out. Here log 3 and here also minus log 3, so it will be also cancel out. So the final answer here only 1. So 1 is the final answer. Okay, now the last one for this video. So if you like my video, again please subscribe my channel and please share this video. So here, if log v is capital V, log v plus log 3 equal to log pi plus log 4 plus 3 log r, then find v in terms of other quantities. So here log v plus log 3, that means log a plus log b. The formula will be log a into b, that means 3 into v, so it's 3v. Here log pi plus log 4, and here 3 log r, that means log r to the power 3. 3 log r means log r to the power 3. So here log 3v, and here also all are in addition, that means pi into 4 into r cube. Okay, so from both side, here also log, here also log, so that means here 3v equal to 4 pi r cube. Okay, log will be cancelled out from the both side, but don't cut it like this way. Okay, just you have to write down here, therefore 3v equal to 4 pi r cube. Don't cut this log by the pen. So here 3v equal to 4 pi r cube, that means v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It's the answer.